Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox game client has stopped working error. Chapter 1. How to fix error Roblox game client has stopped working, checking compatibility. To start, you are going to right-click on the Roblox Studio shortcut, click on Properties. Now in the Compatibility tab, click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. In the wizard you see, it is possible to answer the questions to fix the error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to fix error Roblox game client has stopped working, configuring parameters. The first step is to right-click on the Roblox Studio shortcut, click on Properties. After that, in the Run field, select the Minimized option. Click on Apply. After this, in the Compatibility tab, you are going to activate the box Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and choose Windows 7. Finally, check the boxes, run this program as an administrator, and disable full screen optimizations. When you do, click Apply and OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.